everyone.
Good morning, Sir John.
So let's prepare for our meeting today. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. So let's discuss the potential partnership with your company.
Thank you, John. We're excited about the opportunity to work with XYJ Corporation. Our company can provide high-quality materials at competitive prices.
That sounds promising. Can you walk us through your proposal and how it can benefit our company?
So this is my proposal.
This is a nice proposal. May we know everyone's opinion about this?
This is indeed a nice proposal. We believe our products can enhance brand offerings and increase customer satisfaction.
I like what I'm hearing. What are the key terms of the partnership?
We can offer a discount on bulk orders and priority delivery.
That sounds good. We need to discuss this further and run some numbers.
Agreed. Let's schedule a follow-up meeting to finalize the terms. Good day, everyone. Thank you for being here again for another meeting.
Good
Good
day,
day,
Sir
John.
John. As you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, our company's Q2 performance shows a huge revenue increase driven by strong sales in the market. Our customer is satisfied, and this is because of the discount we have made. We are working to optimize our operations to improve efficiency furthermore. That is all. Thank you.